Which parents don't want a kid who is obedient and well behaved? It is so disheartening and frustrating for parents when children don't listen to them. Parents often wonder why children don't listen even after all the coaxing, persuading, and pampering. Parents are left wringing their hands, wondering how to make their kids obey. The reason for a child's disobedience may very well be faulty parenting. Without intention and even realizing, parents' words and actions can actually be the cause of a kid's rebellion. We will talk about 6 ways to get kids to cooperate with you. First, describe the problem. Don't target the kids or their behavior. Instead, describe the problem or describe what you see. When parents target their kids and use sentences like, "You broke the vase," or "What is this? You are wholly covered in mud," the use of "you" in these sentences make the child feel accused and defensive. You cannot expect obedience and cooperation from a child when he is feeling embarrassed and trying to defend his stand. Using descriptive language spares the blame game and accusations and helps everyone focus on the problem and what needs to be done. For example, the vase is broken. We need a broom. I can see you covered in mud. It is needed to be washed. This makes it easier for the child to hear what the problem is and deal with it. Second, having positive assumptions. Your kids act how you expect them to act. If your child is repeatedly not listening to you or not cooperating with you, chances are that you have allowed them to do so. Too many parents presume that their child won't listen to them and treat the obedience as optional. Ignoring disobedience would only make kids more vulnerable to the spirit of non-cooperation. Third, use fewer words. Most parents dilute their message by using too many words or giving a long discourse. By using too many words, we risk losing the kid's attention and the crux of the message gets lost in between. According to research, those kids who are often given long explanations and lectures on cooperation and indiscipline, they cannot retain even 30% of what was told to them. They started using selective attention and filter most of the information that seems repetitive to them. Use fewer words. Using even one word is very much effective. The value of one word statement lies in the fact that instead of an operative command, we give the child an opportunity to use his own intelligence and discern its connotation. For instance, when a child approaches the dining table, the mother says, "Your hands." The child thinks, "What about my hands? Oh yeah, I need to wash them before dining." But be cautious. Don't use your child's name as a one-word sentence. It suggests strong disapproval and can push him towards non-cooperation. Fourth, invite cooperation. No one wants to listen to someone who is giving commands. Receiving order stimulates resistance. Every child wants to be spoken respectfully, feel connected to the family, and feel that he or she is capable of making a difference. By shifting our approach from forcing compliance to inviting cooperation, we give our kids the chance to exercise their free will and feel worthy of being asked. So, instead of telling, "If you want to go play outside, first clean your room," engage cooperation by asking, "For going to play outside, Wouldn't it be nice to clean your room? That way you won't misplace any of your stuff. Fifth, leave a note. Leaving a note with a thank you in advance is a fun way to engage cooperation. Most children love receiving notes. It shows to them that their parents care for them enough to take time and trouble to write a note for them. Moreover, it is a non-threatening way of reminding your child to do something where you cannot get any louder. Few examples of notes are: switch off the lights before you leave. Thank you. Story time at 9 p.m. Children who have brushed their teeth are invited. Mommy and Daddy. Now note need not be always polite and humorous. Parents can leave some serious notes for their children. It helps reduce anger and spares blame game. For instance, you left unfinished lunchbox in your school bag. Now it is stale and all stinking. Angry mom. Using notes is a quick way and easy way to get through the child, and it helps them feel connected to the family. Sixth, describing your feelings. One of the most powerful and effective ways of getting your kids compliance is to describe your feelings. Most children really respect their parents' feelings when they feel that their feelings are respected. It is the best way to avoid accusations and prevents your kids from getting defensive. For instance, you are working on a project and your kid approaches you with a piece of writing and insists that you go through it. Instead of yelling, "Do not disturb me. Can't you see I am working on a project?" Describe your feelings. "This isn't a good time for me to read your writing. I am stressed and quite occupied. After dinner, I will be able to go through it and give you feedback." By shifting your focus from the kid or what he is doing, you bring attention on yourself and how his actions make you feel. This strategy won't just help shift your child's perspective on situations, but yours as well. We will keep coming with more videos and on parenting and child psychology. So if you like the video, press the like button. It helps others find this video. Thanks for watching.